Here we have created a safe chamber for the OPD procedures for the surgeon. So here, as we see, there is a large plastic sheet extending from the roof straight down to the floor. Here it is important to not make the sheet taut. It should be a little loose or lax so that it can move to and fro with the slit lamp. As we see here, we have created two openings in this large sheet, and that has been sealed using an optically clear and neutral plastic sheet. This is how the chamber looks from the outside, from the patient side. To make it snugly fit with the floor, there is an aluminium rod, heavy rod placed so that it keeps the sheet down on the floor. This opening is for the slit lamp, whereas this opening with the optically clear sheet is for refraction using a phoropter. So this is how the patient will view the vision box. The first jugaad is the slit lamp. These are disposable plastic gloves which are used in the veterinary hospitals. A lot variety of gloves are available in the market, subject to availability. So two openings are made using a cardboard, and these gloves are fixed on it. So as we see here, very easily any procedure, slit lamp procedure, can be done here on the patient, where you have to touch the patient but you are not coming in direct contact with the patient. After the procedure has been done, the gloves are cleaned with sterilium or spirit or decontaminated, and slowly you come out. So what is exposed on your side is the non-contaminated side. Slowly pull it out and safely discard it. It was just using a simple rubber band, it was attached to the cardboard. Jugaad 2 is refraction. So this is the vision box, and here is the control for the phoropter. So subjective refraction can safely be done without coming in contact with the patient. There is another sheet placed between the phoropter and the patient so that the patient is not touching the phoropter. And the last jugaad is the fundus imaging. The imaging machine is outside the chamber, whereas the display monitor is inside the chamber. So this is how you can do a safe fundus examination as well. Thank you. Together we will win.